So this is the REE models PLM 580 class. They later became SNCF 050TA and they were formerly Prussian T16 locomotives. They were ceded to France at the armistice, so 31 of these locos were received through various routes. Some of them had been built for the Alsace Lorraine railway, others were given to the Nord and the PLM. ESU have produced the model. In fact, it comes in an ESU box. REE have commissioned them to do all of the variants that the French had. Oops. So it's a lovely die-cast model, finely done, beautiful mechanism. Unfortunately, they're only available as digital sound. That's just what ESU does. Would have loved to have seen an analog version. Just didn't happen. So this particular version has the early petroleum lights and the early cab shape. Got sound. There is a cab light. And there's also a firebox glow if I get down to the right place. The locomotive has a power pack. I do find them best if you leave them sort of 10 or 15 seconds before you turn anything on. Just plonk it on the track, maybe with the lights on. Let that power pack charge up. Because it is surprisingly necessary, I think. Keeps everything smooth, particularly when you're on high power loads with things like the smoke generator. Oops, function 3. There we go. So the smoke generator uses the ESU oil. It's an optional because you can turn it on and off. It's down to you whether you want to use it. Quickly investigate some of the different settings. So function 27 turns on light load. So the loco doesn't use the exhaust. Cooling around. Okay, turn 27 off. Function 14 I think is a heavy load, so we'll stop it. 14 on. Just 3 different sound profiles on the loco. All sorts of other sound effects. There's 28 functions in total.
Avenue, 15 minutes d'arrêt.
I've only put a little smoke globe in it to make sure it all works. I believe they tested it at the factory, but still like to have a cautionary quality check of everything that comes into the shop now. Really beautiful loco. It has got the digital uncouplers on function 4. Works with the hoop style and the fixed universal style couplings. And it's directional, so just reverse the direction to do the opposite end. Does the coupling waltz as well to release the pressure on the couplings. In the box, the locomotive is in this cradle, it protects it in transit. So there's an Allen key in the box to undo that. I've already changed them from the 3-row running to 2-row running. I'm assuming that no one in the UK is really using 3-row. They can be converted back, and that's the skid. I will